Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated goofy lamp, and this is Susan's equipment from PA, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool lamp. Now we have a note with this unit, and Susan's talking about the lamp does not work. We want to troubleshoot the main PC boards, and we have a lot of work that needs to be done. We'll get some still pictures of this really cool lamp, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool animated goofy lamp, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we also want to mention that when plugging Goofy in or unplugging the electrical cord, you always want to make sure that you turn the switch at the back of Goofy off. So the Goofy lamp should be in the off position when plugging in or unplugging from the electric. You also want to make sure that any electrical outlet that you plug Goofy into is in good condition. The electronics for this type of animated lamp are delicate, and you never want to turn Goofy on and off real quickly. You always want to give it a second before you turn it off and on. Now we have Goofy plugged into the electric, and we want to go ahead and reach behind Goofy and turn on the switch. Some lamps will give you a flash. That's just an indication that the lamp is on. Now what we can do is turn Goofy on.
That's better. Now I can see what I'm doing. Yep.
And we're going to give it a second because we don't want to turn him off too quick. I'll go ahead and turn the unit off.
Who turned out the light?
We'll give it a second. Turn Goofy back on.
Hello? Hello?
We'll go ahead and turn the lamp off.
Where'd you go?
We'll wait a second. We'll turn Goofy back on.
Yep, things are looking brighter already.
We'll go ahead and turn the lamp off.
Gosh, sure is dark all of a sudden.
And then we'll turn the lamp on one last time.
I got a bright idea. Just have to remember what it is. Yep.
Now that we know that this really cool animated Goofy lamp has been repaired, we can return it to Susan and they can enjoy this lamp once again. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.